Today we're learning all about area. And here's our learning objective: to know how to calculate the area of a square and a rectangle. So, easiest lesson you'll ever do with me. All you need to remember is the area is what's inside a two-dimensional shape. It's everything that's going on inside this two-dimensional shape. And we can calculate it in squares inside that two-dimensional shape. That's it. So the area of a shape is its total surface. And look, we've got some squares here for you. Let's count the amount of squares. What's the area of this shape? Yeah, it's obviously one square. What's the area of this shape? If we're being really simple, we could just count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. The area of the shape is 4 squares. So what's the area of this shape? Come on, count them out loud. 6, 7, 8. The area of that shape is 8 squares. Now, when we get up to a bigger shape, look at what we're doing here. We're using our arrays, aren't we? 2 lots of 2 is 4. 4 lots of 2 is 8. How many along have we got? Well, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 along. And how many down? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the area of that shape, without putting all my little pretty daisy flowers in there, is 6 times 5, isn't it? The area of that shape is going to be 30 squares. That makes sense to you? We've got 6 along and 5 down. We can use our times tables to get 30. Let's do it quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 16, 17, 18, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 squares. But I didn't really need to put all my nice dots down, even though it looks like I've got a lovely little garden now. I went 6 along and 5 down. The area inside the shape is 30 squares. So, how many squares? 4 squares. How many squares? 6 squares. How many squares? 2, 4, 6, 8. What's the cow saying? Do you notice anything about your answers? It's a funny looking cow, isn't it? And it's exactly what I've been saying. We can work out the area of a rectangle by multiplying the length of a shape by its width. So here we've got our array of 5 lots of 4. And 5 fours, we all know, is 20 centimeters squared. So in here, all I need to put, let's get inside the box, is my 20. And look how we show our answer. We know our centimeter unit of measurement, but to show squared, we just put a little number 2 above the M. And that would be the same if it was millimeters squared or meters squared. The little 2 means we've multiplied the number twice, in effect. So, what about these shapes? Can you work out the area? Come on, all of you, let's do these shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4 by 1, 2, 3. How many centimeters squared? Yeah, 12. You work out the next one whilst I faff around with this. How about this one? 2 by 1, 2, 3, 4. How many centimeters squared? Correct. 8 centimeters squared. This one is a square, look. We've got 4 by 4. And when it's a square, you only really need one unit or one value, don't you? Because if they're all the same size, we're going to multiply it 4 by 4 to get, correct, 16 centimeters squared. And the last one, just be careful with your counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 by 1, 2, 3. 7 threes are, shout it out, Numbers over here, look. 21. Yep, 21 centimeters squared. That's it. That's all you need to know about finding out the area of any square when they're all the same, the sides are the same, or any rectangle when we've got a length and a width that we can multiply together to find out all the numbers inside the squares. Now, the questions that you do probably won't have the squares on them. You need to remember that if it's a rectangle, and almost always only if it's a rectangle, you just multiply the two numbers together. Areas of other shapes, you don't just necessarily multiply the numbers together, but with a rectangle, we can multiply the length by the width. Same with a square, except we're just going to multiply the same numbers together. And look, if you can remember some of our learning about square numbers, that's where we get the definition of what a square number is, because we're multiplying two numbers that make a square. That's it. That's the lesson. Let's get off and do our work.